Hey everyone, I think it's time to harvest the garlic. So it's been probably 3 to 4 weeks since I've cut the scapes off. You can see they're browning back pretty good. They're at least half, some of them are 2/3. So we're gonna harvest it and see what we got. So the ones that didn't scape actually just died right back to nothing. So I'm sure there's nothing in there. Got a nice little spider web in here. So I'm sure there's nothing on those. But we'll see what we got on the other ones. Wah, wah, wah. Nothing. That's the original bulb that I put in. Didn't even grow a clove. But that's the original clove. It didn't even grow a bulb of garlic. Same thing. So I guess, you know what? I might as well just put them back. Yeah. Just put those back. We'll see what happens. So we're actually going to harvest some potatoes too. Um, I have one that is really, really died back. So I want to harvest them. Make sure I harvest these before they go bad. So that's that one. There's really no green left. So we're going to harvest that bucket. See what they look like. So I'm going to get set. And then we'll harvest some potatoes. So we have another medium-sized bucket here. Hopefully we do better with this than we just did with the garlic. Yeah, good start. Look at that. Just wanted to pull the greens out. Already got a nice little potato. The greens really feel like they're rotting, so I think it's a good time to do this. We got potatoes flying out. You want to see the potatoes? Those are potatoes. Yeah, those are potatoes. Can I pull them out? You like potatoes? Look at that one. Look. Look at that one. It's a big potato. Yeah, that's a good one, huh? It's a good one? You don't eat it. That's okay. Hey, can I get in here and can I get my potatoes out? Can I get my potatoes out? Excuse me. You gotta step back. You go back up. Come on, back. Back. Good boy. These are a lot wetter than I was hoping, but it just won't stop raining. So I have to do it when I can. And today was a dry day, so Oh, there's a lot of water in there. It wasn't draining as well as it should have been. Let me get rid of some of this dirt. Yeah, these are a lot wetter than I would hope for, but so far not too bad though. I know it kind of smells, huh? It's got a funny odor. There's the seed potato. Yeah, this stuff is soaked. Look out. You know, stop, back. You got mud on your dirt, or mud on your dirt. You got mud on your beard. Yep, very wet. No, come on. I know it stinks. I know it smells. There's another seed potato. Another seed potato. Ideally, you would want this to be dried out when you harvest it, but I guess it is what it is. That's probably why those were getting so rank. Were you protecting the potatoes? So that's not too bad. We'll clean that up and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we'll do a quick check. See how much we got. Let me tear that out. So these are the ones that we'll eat. There's a handful of small ones. So it's 12.5 ounces. So not quite a pound. But hey, that's okay. There was only 3 seed potatoes in there. So I got more than I planted. All right, that's it. Just wanted to take you guys along for a quick harvest and not so harvest of the garlic. All right, that's it for this one. Leave me a comment. Till next time, grow something. See ya.